Please connect pressure gauge for setting the pressure in pressure switch. Unscrew the front cover. Unscrew the front cover. Remove the front cover. Unscrew the locking nut and remove the locking plate. Note: when the differential setting is in min point, i.e. 0.7 bars, please avoid rotating differential setting screw in clockwise direction. Rotate the screw to set the range. Rotate the screw to set the differential if rec. After pressure switch settings are done, fit the locking plate front cover back in the switch. Handle with care and avoid free fall of the switch.